Okay, let's take a look at this problem. I want to make a truth table for this statement. It's the implication: if not P, then, and then this is inside of parentheses, Q and R. Okay, so we need P, Q, and R. I notice the book does this a little bit different. They put your ones up here in terms of your truths. I'm going to do it a little bit backwards because this is the way I learned. And I'll mess it up if I try to put the ones up here. But again, from what you'll see in the book, where they have true or T, I put 1. Where they have false or F, I put 0. Okay, so this can be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And you see patterns on these. If this starts at 0, then you start this one at 0, and then this one's 0. Then you switch this one to a 1. And then going back one step, you put this as 1, then start this at 0, and then 1, 1. And those are all of our possibilities for P is equal to 0. So then I'll put 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, 1. Now, just do I know if I got them all? There's 2 possibilities for this. There's 2 possibilities for this, and 2 possibilities for here. From the multiplication rule, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so you should have 8 possibilities, which we do. Okay, we're going to do what's inside parentheses first. And so Q and R. The and, you can think of as multiplication in terms of helping you remember it, but we're going to take Q times R. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. These aren't necessarily hard, but they do present a challenge, trying to remember, the format and so forth. Not P. So I'm going to take all my P's and flip them. Zeros becomes ones. Ones become zeros. Okay, and I should have had this up, so I like to quote it off the book. For our implication now. I'm going to put it in red. Hope you're not red-green colorblind. And the book says, let me see. In particular, the only way for P and then Q here, this is the way it maps to the book. So it says the only way for that to be false is for P to be true and Q to be false. So I'm looking for a false here and a true here. Or in other words, a 0 and a 1. And if that's true, then this will be false. Otherwise, it's true. Okay, so 0, 1. Here's a 0, 1. So this will be false. And again, it's off of page 7, unless they change additions. But it says in particular, the only way for if P then Q, that implication to be false, is for P to be true and Q to be false. Okay, so I'm looking for other 0, 1s. Here's another one. 0, 1. There we go. I guess that's it. So all the rest of these will be 1s. And that would be our truth table. So if it throws you on these, have the definition, write it in hand, read it, and do a mapping. From my definition, they say what's in front of the implication symbol is P, and what follows it is Q, and then they say it's false or 0 when P is 1 and Q is this is 0. which is RQ.